When it comes to power tools, DEWALT is a brand that consistently delivers high-quality and reliable products. The DEWALT 12-inch miter saw, DWS715, is no exception. This 15-amp single bevel compound miter saw is designed to provide precision, efficiency, and durability, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're working on home renovations, woodworking projects, or trim work, this saw offers exceptional performance at a reasonable price point. Key features. One of the standout features of the DEWALT 12-inch miter saw is its stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops, which ensures accuracy and repeatability in cuts. The machined base fence support further enhances the precision, allowing for consistent and reliable cutting performance. The saw also features a tall sliding fence, which supports up to 5.5-inch base molding vertically, making it an ideal choice for trim work. With a bevel range of 0 to 48 degrees to the left and 0 to 3 degrees to the right, it provides excellent flexibility for various cutting angles. Additionally, the saw has a crosscut capacity of 2-inch x 8-inch dimensional lumber at 90 degrees and 2-inch x 6-inch at 45 degrees, making it versatile enough for multiple applications. Performance and build quality. The DEWALT DWS715 is built with durability in mind. The 15-amp motor delivers powerful and smooth cutting action, making it easy to cut through wood without resistance. Customers have praised its sturdy build, ensuring that it lasts for years without performance degradation. The precise miter system ensures that cuts are accurate, which is essential for professional-grade woodworking. Many users have highlighted that the speed of the blade makes cutting quick and efficient. Whether you're making straight cuts or angled cuts, this saw performs exceptionally well with minimal effort. The beveling feature allows for greater flexibility in different cutting applications, making it suitable for baseboards, crown molding, and framing projects. User experience. Users have found the DEWALT 12-inch miter saw easy to use, with a user-friendly design that allows even beginners to operate it with confidence. The adjustable knobs provide excellent control, and the saw's portability makes it convenient to move around workspaces. Although it is slightly heavy, most users find it stable and sturdy, which is a trade-off for better durability and precision. Customer feedback. With an impressive 4.7 out of 5-star rating from over 6,600 global reviews, the DEWALT DWS715 has received overwhelming praise from customers. Here are some of the most common positive aspects mentioned by users. Durability and build quality. Customers appreciate its solid construction and long-lasting performance. Smooth and precise cuts. Many users note that the saw cuts effortlessly through wood with great accuracy. Value for money. For its price, the saw offers excellent performance and reliability, making it a worthwhile investment. Ease of use. The intuitive design and simple adjustments make it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. One minor drawback some users have pointed out is the lack of a laser guide for enhanced cutting precision. While this doesn't affect the functionality, many modern miter saws come equipped with a laser for added convenience. However, most users find that they can still achieve accurate cuts without it. Final verdict. The DEWALT 12-inch miter saw, DWS715, is an excellent choice for woodworkers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts looking for a powerful, precise, and durable miter saw. It delivers outstanding performance with smooth and accurate cuts, making it a top contender in its category. With a current price of $271.99, this saw offers great value for money. Whether you need it for home improvement projects or professional use, it is a tool that will serve you well for years to come. Pros. Heavy checkmark high build quality and durability. Heavy checkmark precise and smooth cuts. Heavy checkmark powerful 15-amp motor. Heavy checkmark easy to use with adjustable features. Heavy checkmark great value for money. Cons. Slightly heavy, but manageable. No laser guide for enhanced precision. If you're looking for a reliable and well-performing miter saw, the DEWALT DWS715 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out our video description box for additional discounts and subscribe to our channel for more updates and reviews.